on. You need to go potty? Let's go. Come on. Come over here, Ree. Beautiful dog. Come on, Ree. Come here. Come here. Sit. No. No. Sit. Sit. Read. Focus. Sit. No. Come here. Sit. Good girl. You ready to go to the groomers? Nope. I'm so sorry. She's a little fast. Oh, yeah. She's so mean. So vicious. Come here. Ree, you want a lamb chop? Look at the lamb chop. Look at the lamb chop. Come here. It must be Shih Tzu day. That's a different Shih Tzu. There's another Shih Tzu in there. Come here. We'll get you a treat after your appointment. Sit. Stay. Pretty girl. You ready to get groomed? Are you ready to get groomed? Are you ready to get groomed? Sit. All right, Ree. Come on, let's go. Let's get groomed. Yes. Come here, Ree.
Alright, you have the nail buffing and teeth brushing here separately. What I'm going to do is put it into the essentials package. It's the same exact price. But
Okay.
you get better shampoo essentially for free.
Okay.
Do you want the same haircut you got last time?
Yes, it was so adorable.
So this short?
Yes. And the Shih Tzu look, I guess, whatever it's called.
Sounds good.
You ready to go? You ready to go?
Any health issues we should be aware of? No
Only-
seizures, arthritis, allergies,
No,
Parkinson's?
she did have another skin tag.
Okay.
I know she has one right here. I forget what my husband said, but so she has another skin tag, but
Okay, you'll be careful with that.
yeah. It's okay, get okay. It's okay. Oh, normally you like to go to people. It's okay.
She's like, I don't like it here.
No, but that's why we don't do it ourselves because we don't want to traumatize her. But she really needs her dew claws done.
We'll be the bad guys. Don't worry.
I don't want you guys to be the best. But we always end up hurting her. You guys are the professionals. So.
8.
Her dew claws. Ow, you're scratching me, Mama. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
How old is she?
She is 5.5. Actually, she's almost 6. She'll be 6 next month. You gotta go, Mama. You gotta go get groomed.
Alright, if I could have you initial everything in yellow, starting from the phone number down, sign the date on the back.
Okay.
Hello, Garly.
We are going to Andy B's. We are going to Andy B's. It's right across the street. Yeah, but no, she didn't want to go. I put her on the table, and she kept scratching me. And the lady was trying to talk to me, and she just kept scratching me, and she did not want to go. It's like she knows what that place is. Like you can see, look. Damn.
Shop the all-new Murano at NissanUSA.com. Panoramic massaging leather appointed seats are available features.
Accomplishing goals.
Turn right, then take the next left to the parking lot.
Babbel makes it easy.
Babbel is designed
Andy B's.
creating lessons to conversational.
Day in the middle of the day. Oh heck yeah.
Go to BABB.
This is handicap right there. I just want her.
Babbel.com.
It's like a big old lamp, but it's a heat thing. Welcome to our cashless facility. They just opened like an hour ago. Let's go bowling. Or whatever else. We can either do bowling or something else. I know we can't do both. Andy B's bowl. So we're here at Andy B's. We've been to one before in Springfield, Missouri. It's like a social bar, like very upscale bowling alley, but they also, like the one in Springfield, had like escape rooms and an arcade and everything like that. So we're just gonna have a little bit of a Valentine's Day together, or early Valentine's Day, because I have to work tomorrow. Oh, damn, they dropped off our shoes and everything. Dropped off our shoes. Okay. Okay, thank you.
I look like I'm creepy.
Because you had your glasses on? Look like pool balls. Cue balls. It's so cool. I'll take a 10. Wait a minute. What, you get a 9? Yeah, I can get a 9 too. Gotta find. Yep, the pins are on like strings. Can't really see from down here, but they're on strings, so that you don't have to worry about jams. First attempt of recording out, and I forgot my tripod. I have a little tripod I needed to bring, and I completely forgot. I know, I told you so. Now your other one's not there. I told you something's wrong with it. So our little ball return is taking forever to return balls. But I'm not sure if y'all noticed that the pins are on like little strings, which is pretty cool. But this is our Valentine's Day. This is our early Valentine's Day together. Kiss.
My humbug.
He's mad because the floor keeps making his ball go in the gutter. I got it. Oh, your nachos are here. You got guacamole? Oh no, that's lettuce. May I have one?
Yeah, there. Worst case scenario, I got another one for you.
Wrong way. So this floor, for some reason, is really, the ball is like extra oily. I think they must have did the floors last night because it's like they just opened up a little over an hour ago. I'll ask you if you wanted some.
You got some mac, no cheese?
It's like liquid cheese. It is. It's
A
down.
lot of.
No, it's there. Here, try the mac and cheese.
I don't want
It's good.
Nope.
No, it's not.
I'm good.
Here.
On my hand, I put it all on my face.
Anything else you want to play?
Lakers,
Mavericks, Rockets.
Golden State, and the Lakers.
I'll be the Mavericks. I told you I suck. That's why I will never fight. Get it, baby. Damn, you almost made it.
Great performance, great power. You are a top-class boxer.
This is an odd one, this. And I'm about to spend on the protein. Get the marshmallows in there.
Philly. That was a fun and exciting day date, and since I have to work tomorrow, we decided to do Valentine's Day today. But we always do stuff like this together.
Not really.
Yes, we do.
Not really.
And we're like big kids.
No, we're not. Suit yourself.
We didn't bring her leash in. I'll carry her. Hey, cutie! Look at Daddy! You can give her to Daddy. Aww. And that's for you.
Oh, thank you. I'll
You're
try
welcome.
to give it here, Robert.
Oh, okay. I thought tonight we're doing hibachi. We're gonna cook on the griddle outside for the first time in this whole week. So let's get started.
Wait, I don't know. She gonna have to stop at the store because that's a long walk. Look at that sizzle.